Adela. No, brother. Thank you. Why are you people running as if what is it now? You really scared me. What is it?
John, don't come back. I said John, the airport. No. They tell you.
John is back. When in China?
John is in the airport right now.
Jesus is a Christian. Come. Agnes, hey. Oh yeah, John is coming back. Oh yeah. Nobody leave the house. When we go that place, we want the bus. Oh yeah. Where are you going to? Let's go to this place.